Hi there! In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up WhatsForm on your WordPress website. First, log into your WordPress admin portal. From the sidebar, click on Plugins, then Add Plugin. In the search bar, type WhatsForm and look for this plugin called Form to Chat App by Micro.company. Once you find it, click Install. Then, back in the installed plugins section, click on Activate for this plugin. After activation, you'll be taken to the WhatsForm plugin page. You can add WhatsForm to your WordPress website in two ways, either as a floating widget or by embedding it directly inside a specific page, like your contact page. Let's start by seeing how to add WhatsForm as a floating widget. To get that code, open your WhatsForm dashboard and under the form you want to add, click on Share. Then select WordPress and you'll see a section to set up the widget. Let's change the welcome message here to say, Talk to our team. And once you're done, click this button to copy the code snippet. Now go back to your WordPress dashboard and paste the code snippet in the plugin field. You can also choose where you'd like the WhatsForm widget to appear, across the entire website or just on selected pages. For now, let's select to show everywhere and click Save to save the changes. Let's preview the website now. And as you can see, the WhatsForm floating widget is visible right here on your WordPress site. You can also set up a different WhatsForm to appear as floating widgets on specific pages. To do this, go to your WhatsForm dashboard again, click Share under that form, select WordPress, change the welcome message as you like, and copy the new code snippet. Then, in your WordPress dashboard, open the page or post where you want to show it. Scroll to the bottom and you'll find the WhatsForm widget field. Paste the snippet there, click Update, and let's preview the page. As you can see, the floating widget here now shows your new WhatsForm. And if we go back to the home page, it still displays the first one we added. Now, let's move on to the second option, to embed a different WhatsForm inside a post or page using a shortcode. To do that, head back to your WhatsForm dashboard, click on Share under the form you want, then select WordPress. Here, you'll see Embed in a page or post. Just copy the URL from there. Next, return to your WordPress dashboard, open the Form to Chat plugin, and click on Set up Embed in an existing page or post. Paste the URL you copied, then click on Get Shortcode. Once the shortcode is generated, click Copy and open the page or post where you'd like to add the form. Inside the editor, simply paste the shortcode where you want the form to appear. Then group the element for alignment adjustments and click Save to update the changes. Now let's preview the page. And there you go. The WhatsForm is now embedded directly inside your page or blog post. And that's it. You've successfully added WhatsForm to your WordPress website, both as a floating widget and as an embedded form inside pages. If you have any questions, please visit whatsform.help.center.